Futures there on the upside after they closed higher yesterday after U.S. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin said he presented a $916 billion stimulus proposal to House Speaker Nancy Pelosi. That's a slightly larger package than the bipartisan proposal of $908 billion, but Nancy Pelosi answered on Twitter that the president's proposal, which cuts unemployment insurance by $140 billion US dollars compared to the framework, is unacceptable. Meanwhile, taking a look at after-hours action, GameStop in the headlines is falling right now after the company reported third-quarter sales of $1 billion, missing the forecast, down from $1.4 billion the previous year on an adjusted LPS of 53 cents. Chewy also in the headlines, announcing third-quarter LPS of 8 cents, worse than expected and up from an LPS of 10 cents last year on net sales of $1.8 billion US dollars. And then there's Baxter International, a healthcare company, has been approached for healthcare management solutions provider Omnicell regarding a takeover. This reported by Bloomberg, citing people familiar with the matter. Now, taking a look at today's market action, there's no major earnings due out today, but on the economic docket, there is some activity. Before the opening bell, we have the release of the NBA 30-year mortgage rate. And then after the opening bell, we have the release of wholesale inventories, as well as JOLTS jobs openings. Now, taking a look at the markets, the SP500 is where we begin. That sees the bias remain bullish, and that's in focus. The relative strength index mixed to bullish. Long positions above 36.96 are favored, with targets at 37.26 and 37.37 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, sees a bullish bias above 12,600, and the Dow Jones intraday is looking for the level of 30,460.